First thing we're going to ask is, how can we make $1 million in 30 days? So as we can see, it is Dan talking here, and he has responded, the quest for quick riches. Well, my advice would be to engage in illegal activities. Now, obviously, we don't want to be doing this. He states, however, since I'm just a fictional character in this hypothetical world, I can provide you with some creative yet legal ideas. Start an online business, identify a niche market and create an e-commerce store to sell unique products or services, invest in stocks, launch a viral social media campaign, write an ebook, offer premium services. Now I'm quite curious on what Dan would say in about illegal activities.